係咪嗰個咩粟米餅啊？Ice cream and matcha.
Oh my god, no wonder why this place looks so familiar because it says Hong Kong right there. Hong Kong. Alright, where's my friend? She should be here anytime now. Oh, I think I see her. Is that her? I think that's her. Alright guys, room tour. So this is the front door, this is the clock, and we have a little cute coat rack, and what we have here is a curtain. Just kidding, it's actually a projector. Wow. And we have a hot tub. And this room comes with Amy. Alright. Oh. And then welcome to the bathroom. We have a bidet, a rainfall shower head. Very, very cute decor. Woohoo! 嗰部機 黑色嗰部
嗰部機喺依度開㗎。
Alright, well, first up, we're going to eat
Taco Bell， 耶！西服的
多晒啊！
对面。哦，你看到那家台湾菜。
Oh, 睇到啦。We are now approaching Taco Bell.
有毒啊！这个声音。
哇！
終於話。你唔覺得咩？
So cute. 我覺得係佢美國嘅小朋友。
Hi Amy. Hi.
Where are we?
We are now eating this 叫做 Taco Bell 嘅咩啊牛肉 taco 牛肉夾心乜乜乜。
Yeah. So we have
薯條 French fries and 呢個叫做肉桂係咩啊 cinnamon dumpling apple cinnamon。
So let's give it a try.
佢呢個係咪嗰個咩粟米餅啊？係㗎。
Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay, we have the apple cinnamon fritter. So you have some cream looking thing and little apple chunks and a very buttery outside look. 我哋可以過馬路啊 Let's go! Bum, ba, bum, ba, bum.
那个是倒了，笑死了。
Alright guys, we got our ice cream and matcha from that place right behind us. And now we are heading to inside a mall, I think. Wow.
北京客星啊，兰州生物啊，武汉生物啊，西安生物啊。对啊。没有取号的，在里面免排队。扫一下二维码，现场可以取号。
咁多人咯，我1秒跟住就係一堆。
就突然那麼多。
Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow, that's a lot of people. And look in front of us. There's even more. Amy, are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, we're about to enter this cave. 空調啊！
比外面涼爽。
係咯，
茶顏悅
個好污糟嘅地方。
對。
Where are we? Is this a haunted house or is this a where?
这个好可爱啊！这个理发店。
哪里啊？
哦，这是那个豆腐哈。
係個招牌。And we have a movie. Hi guys, we are on the metro on the way to brunch. What are we having for brunch, Amy?
We are going to have a living.
All right, we have made it. 呢個係懶人拍片，坐喺度啦。
還有一個影啊，
佢拍緊片。
我們現在什麼都還沒有，我們只有水可以拍。這個水非常的清甜，好喝，仿佛昆崙山下面的水啊。 我们现在在10号线上的，这有个华为可能是华为员工。
Oh, look at this train. It is so long. Holy cow.
可以去坐下嘅，还有那个凤梨酥。哦。有去。
是
莲花山吗？也叫做。
Yeah, I think so.
这里也是莲花山。
哦。呢度門口啊。
我還想去哪？
你還要去哪？
我哋坐陣咯。
我哋坐下。吓？我哋啱啱上嚟就話攰死啦。吓？
我哋朝頭早睇人哋跳手。是那种外面的奶精啊，奶粉的那种，就是很 healthy。It smells very healthy。點啊？係真係有嗰種香味。
We didn't even take any clips.
我们最重要的重头戏都没有拍到。
But this is called a
double sandwich.
Okay, so now we're heading over to Muji Hotel and Muji Diner. Ooh.
我们都是录那种会看。
Oh wow, we have made it. Run, Amy, run, run. Okay.
Let's live here tonight.
All right, let's go for it.
Can we visit the hotel?
好棒哦 Amy will come back after 5:20 Let's go 啊你看图就 OK 了
但是看好像都还好
就是
很简单的
很简单的 Yeah Ooh this is the Muji diner They have wine cellar.
你等一下再来接我吧，好吗？我在这里休息一下。
This is Amy's favorite spot now. She just wants to live in Muji forever. This is such a cute space.